Once you've downloaded the Midco Softphone app, you're ready to use your business soft client on your mobile phone or tablet. Launch the application and tap Login and approve the app permissions. Next, you'll be brought to the Terms of Use screen. Select Allow Incoming Calls and Allow Outgoing Calls to ensure that your app functions correctly, and review the Midco Softphone Terms of Use. Then, select Accept and Continue. Enter your 10-digit business phone number. Then enter your case-sensitive password provided by Midco. This is also the password used for access to the hosted VoIP comm portal. Tap the toggle next to Remember Me to save your login and password on your device. Select Login. You will be prompted to enter your mobile phone number. Press Continue when you're finished. Please note, allowing the app to run in the background ensures all calls will come through when the app is not in active use. Denying the app to run in the background will improve battery life, but calls may not always come through. Now, let's take a look at the interface. Your menu of options is located at the bottom of the window and includes the Contacts tab, Phone tab, and Chat tab. The Contacts tab shows a list of contacts. Here, you can scroll through and select your contact. This list includes your network-based contacts and your device contacts. The Phone tab displays your call history, where you can access your call logs. The Voicemail tab lets you review all your voicemails. You can also access the dialer here. On the Chat tab, you can instant message and view presence information if enabled. To access your profile and settings, including the call manager, tap the Settings icon here. Also, in your Profile and Settings tab, you can configure options like Chat and specify whether to allow your calls to use the Midco Softphone app or to use your cell phone.